To the left, a little bit higher. Got it! Ha ha!
Today we're using the DVC 172 to do the bolt rod from an M240.
Didn't even come down my where the fire can go. Now when I'm done with that, I'll put the lubrication in. So we get some of that liquid going. So it's not always about getting it clean faster, but making it run better later on. You can do a spritz, CLP, whatever you want to do, but you can see how the metal's so hot. And while we clean our, you can see it's nice and shiny now.
Today we're cleaning with the DVC 172 dry vapor cleaner, a gas port selector from an M240.
All right.
That thing looks filthy.
It is. Here we go. Port that quickly. See, it's shiny. M240 op rod bolt track assembly. After 2,100 rounds. As we know, the longest piece that usually takes us to clean. Op rod carrier group is now clean in less than 15 minutes and nice and shiny, ready for storage.